Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your YouTube account permanently. Whether you are taking a break from social media or just want a fresh start, we have got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First of all, open your YouTube app. Click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. On top, you will see username of your YouTube channel. Make sure you are signed into the YouTube account you wanna delete. Otherwise, you can switch to another account by clicking on switch account icon. Here I am already logging into the same account I wanna delete. Now we will click on the Google account and we will enter on the Google account here. Then we have to click on data and privacy. As we go down through it, we will see there is an option of delete a Google service. We will click on it. After clicking on it, Google will ask for your mobile password or fingerprint to continue on it. Deleting YouTube channel is an irreversible process. You can never undo it. So make sure you want to delete your YouTube channel. Now as you can see here, there is a YouTube option and a delete option on it. I will click on it and here is remove your YouTube content. You have to click on I want to permanently delete my account. Then Google will ask a permission to permanently delete your videos or playlist or any content you have uploaded on your YouTube channel. After giving permission, we will click on delete my account, and here's you can see delete your account, and you have to type your channel name, username here, as I am typing my username daily household chores. And I will click on the delete my account. Remove your YouTube content. It may take a few seconds or few minutes or a couple of days. If you have a lot of content, then I will refresh it to see whether my account is deleted or not. I press on the cross icon to check whether my YouTube account is deleted or not, and I will see here, and as you see there, the YouTube account does not exist. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your YouTube account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.